Hello friend, welcome back. Suppose if you have some test cases recorded from TestCase Studio free version or pro version and you want to continue recording in them, or you want to add more steps to those test cases. Now you can upload those test cases directly in TestCase Studio Pro version and you can continue recording in them, or you can basically say you can add more steps into them with the help of TestCase Studio Pro. It's very simple. Just open this TestCase Studio Pro. The existing recorded test cases which you have, what you have to do, you just click on upload and select that particular file, open, and the test case will come here like this, and then you can start adding steps in them, simple like this. So you can see that those steps we have added. Let me show you again with the fresh thing. Just delete everything. So here you have this. Okay, now suppose you have some test cases recorded with you. What you have to do, click on TestCase Studio Pro, click on upload, and if you have any test cases recorded, just upload that file here. It will come with the imported test case name, imported, and you see that all the steps. Now in whichever test case I want to add steps, I can simply start continue your recording whatever way you want to do. You just keep doing that and it will keep adding steps. Here you can see that. So it's very simple. Now if you have any recorded test case, you can upload them. There could be questions, suppose your test cases have some extra column which you don't have in TestCase Studio Pro. Like suppose, let me just add these two columns here. Okay, so now if I try to upload the file, let me just delete them. You can keep it fresh as well, no problem. Like if you have some test cases recorded, keep it them. Now suppose you are trying to upload this file which has some extra column, so it will let you know that these columns, these extra columns are there in your sheet. Okay, demo 2. So please add them. If you read this message, these columns are not available in TCSP, where TCSP means TestCase Studio Pro. Please add these columns in TCSP and then upload again. Okay, so what you have to do, go to customize. You have an option here, add columns. Here you can say the same test case name demo, and then one more, demo 2. Okay, now come here, click on upload and upload this file. It will get uploaded. Here you can see that the test case got uploaded. Now suppose your file have some extra column, suppose there are extra column in TestCase Studio Pro which you have customized. Suppose we have one more column like demo 3, okay, and one more column, let's say demo 4. Now here you have two extra columns which are not there in your sheet or file. So in that case, what will happen, these two columns, these extra two columns will let you upload your file and they will remain blank. Okay, so you click on here and now you see that these two columns are there but those are blank, so it doesn't matter. So it will help you to upload your file, then also it will allow you to upload your file. Now then you can continue recording and you will be able to record them. So this is how you can upload your already recorded file, and if you want to continue recording in them, you can do that. You can upload two format, Excel and CSV here. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to let us know in the comment section, and do let us know if you need any other feature in TestCase Studio Pro. We will be more than happy to help you. Also, if you are not aware all the features of TestCase Studio Pro, just go here, TestCase Studio Pro, and you can check out all the features along with their video here. So every feature, if you want to learn about this, how this works, just click on this, and this has a tutorial with this. So you every feature, all the features here have the tutorial attached with them. So please check out them and you will love. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.